Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Soundhound AI stock, guys. So let's do the price action analysis on this, and let's figure out what are the potential places what are the potential places we need to be keeping a close eye on, because this has a room from where it is right now that as if we lose a certain level or recapture a certain level that we'll take a look in this video, then this can give us a strong move in that direction. Okay, so with that, guys, please hit the like, subscribe. Also, please note none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. All right, so let's begin. So what we have been seeing is that Soundhound AI was holding this support zone, right? And lately it broke below that. So yes, it has lost that trajectory, that uptrend, it has lost that, and it is getting weak as well. In multiple days, it failed to continue higher, lower lows and lower highs have started to form. Now that big move is coming. And what is that big move and at what level? So it's very simple, short video, very quick, and that is if we lose the level of $4.97 and we lose 20 days moving average, there is a play that can come down to $4.53. That is a very likely possibility. And for this, the stop loss could be somewhere above $5.22. And I would imagine this will go much lower as well then, because there is no other support down here. It's a change of structure because the structure has started to become weaker, and on intradays, I can already see from the daily interval, but let's go to the hourly interval to make it simpler. And on intraday, you can already see that we are running into this again and again, this supply zone. Any push to the upside is being sold off, and it has been becoming lower highs and lower lows, right? We are below 200 hours moving average as well. So it's about that time. If it loses this $4.97, that means it's losing this constantly support being held, and but getting weaker, right? So buyers are not able to push it higher, but sellers are over and over again are able to push it lower. So that means sellers are coming, which means this level $4.97 is becoming a zone of flush. All right. This is not very uncommon. I mean, this is something this is the same, pretty much the pattern that we were seeing over here as well on SMC, not SMC, Soundhound AI, right over here, right? And back here as well, let's go to the 4 hours to show you that. Back there as well, I talked about the same thing, that guys, be careful, because what's going on up here? Buyers were trying to push it higher, but every time they will fall short from the previous high, right? And then eventually this level, as it was holding this buying support, finally broke with a flush and we fell lower. So what is the resemblance you are seeing from what I just showed you here with this price action? It's the same thing. Buyers are trying to hold this level, trying to push it higher, but are not able to push it much higher than the previous high, meaning sellers are coming in and selling it off, and it's getting weaker. So with this triangle break, this becomes a flush zone, and we are getting very close to that. So there's a possibility of flush. But as I always say, nothing is guaranteed in stock market. It's the probability. If I want to give it a probability, more probabilities to the downside with the break of this level of $5.97 or $5.95. Okay. But what if it wants to go up? What is that particular level that may make a long play on this? Is that a possibility still? Why not? Sure, let's talk about that. What we have to see in the price action right now, it's not showing that. That's why I'm saying what we have to see in the price action to give that upside play, because this will be a breakout play then, and that is the level of $5.21. If we get above 50 days moving average without breaking below $4.97 and we get above $5.21, this is a strong breakout play that may come to the upside, and that may give like $5.53 and maybe upside as well $5.96. But I won't bet above that right now. because we have a supply zone sitting over there. So if it wants to go, if it starts to go up after breaking $5.22, this has a likelihood we'll have to see if it forms double top here. So, but anyways, so right now these are the two areas you are watching. I explained the concept as well. What are the reasons that potentially why I am looking at much more to the downside with the break of the level of $4.95 to $4.97. Again, you have to give it penny to penny some room, guys. Yeah, and this is also the area, if we lose this, this is a previous pivot zone as well. That means the important level has also been lost, all right? So that's that. And yeah, the target would be pretty much this previous, zone of like level by level, right? $4.54 and then $3.50. But let's see if there's a strong demand zone sitting somewhere else, because I'm seeing this one strong green candle down there. Yeah, so that's one of the reasons as well my level is marked as significant over here, because you can see there's this demand candle here, right? Like a strong wick candle, and that is the level of $4.54. So that's something, just be careful here. If this short play comes, some profit needs to be taken over here. At least that's how I am planning, right? Okay, okie dokie. Well, what else? So let's go to the weekly interval and let's take a look at that. So weekly interval, yeah, okay. So here are these two areas of these two pivots right over here. And that's why this area is becoming so important, right? Because this 4.55, since I just showed you a strong wick recently formed here on 4 hours, right? Now this is weekly interval. So that's where these two previous pivots are as well. So it's important to not lose the sight of this level. So if short play triggers $4.52, some profits needs to be taken here. That's where this 20 weeks moving average is as well. And if we lose that, then yeah, we are coming down to this almost level of $3.51. And upside play, I also talked to you, right? If we break above $5.22 or so, then some upside may continue as well. So based off these levels, the price action, the break, we'll see how the price reacts. So far, to me, looks like, yeah, it all comes down to this level, guys. I mean, if it breaks, it's just the game to the downside. This $4.97, right? So yeah, hope that explains the reasoning on why things are looking the certain way. I compared it with the previous price action as well, right over here. So I hope that makes it clear as well. All right, well, so that's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful and valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and Wall Street alerts. And with that, see you in the next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.